Hey, what's going on, everybody? Edgemotor here, and we're going to be doing a product review. We've got the Hero 8 GoPro Media Mod. I got this a few weeks ago, just finally getting a chance to do the video on it, but I want to be able to hook this up on the bike, see if I can do some motor vlogging with it without having to put on a full face helmet. So let's go get this on the bike and be right back with you. Alright, so here we are. Let's do the first test. Just standing at a standstill. Hopefully this comes across, but before I set this up and get it going, what you got to do is you got to make sure, because of the shotgun mic's on the Media Mod, make sure you have it set to the front facing shotgun mic. Hopefully that'll eliminate some of the wind noise and you can actually hear me. So let's go. About 45 tops, mainly just driving around the side streets around town. So we're gonna see how this bike picks everything up, how the wind noise is, and hopefully I can actually do some actual vlogging with it, but we'll see. Just go for a little short ride today, test out the Media Mod, test out this battery, make sure everything's working. Right now we're doing 45. This will probably be about the fastest I'm going to go using this setup. Sometimes with the riding and the weather here in Western New York, it gets very humid, sometimes very hot. And a lot of times when I go for a ride, I really don't feel like putting on the full face. So I've got something to say. I'm kind of hoping this setup will do it. Hopefully you can hear me around the wind noise. So after we're done riding, when we get back to the house, I'll do a better review. I'll review this footage and play it back, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. I'm also kind of curious to see how the bike actually sounds with this setup. Once again, I'm hoping the wind noise is kind of protected by the fairing of the bike. So we're protected by the fairing. Got the shotgun pointed right at me. No stereo, no map, shotgun, so we'll see how this goes. If you're not subscribed, if you like this video, want to see some more reviews, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, let me know that people are watching this. And I'm sure other guys on bikes were kind of curious about this setup as well. Not everybody wears a full face, not everybody wants to wear a full face. There's even some states that you don't even require a helmet, so some people would like to do something, so this might be the answer. They said when they came out with this, I was curious myself, and bumps. Wide turn, very wide turn. Oh well. So yeah, hopefully other people want us to see this review. If you're one of those ones that was kind of curious about this yourself, I haven't seen any videos on it, any reviews on it, so I know I've seen some motor vloggers that have put the Media Mod on their helmet just so they can use the audio adapter on the side. But I was kind of curious to see how this would work without that audio, without having to use an external microphone. I want to kind of test the Media Mod itself. Kind of hoping a short little ride when I get back to the house and review this back at the house in a few minutes. So just got done reviewing the footage, and I have to say I was pleasantly surprised on how well it came out. Even at 45-50 miles an hour, you are hearing some of the fairing noise off the bike, which I'm hoping I can edit and kind of alleviate some of that, but you were still able to pick up my voice pretty well, which is kind of the goal of what this was. If I can edit out some of that background rattle fairing noise, it'd be even better. So if you want to try it out for yourself, you can pick up the Media Mod on GoPro's website. It's 80 bucks. Works with the GoPro Hero 8 Black. And we'll see you next time. Later.